Last year, Dr. John All achieved a personal and professional goal when he studied climate change while summiting Mount Everest. This year, his research took him to another part of the world, only this time he took a professional photographer along to document it. University photographer Clinton Lewis can usually be found hustling from one photo shoot to the next on WKU's campus.
Here I am, high up on a moraine.
But this summer, he was halfway around the world with WKU Geography professor John All, scaling mountains in Peru.
Specifically, I documented a lot of John's research projects, so we'll use those here on campus, highlighting, not only our faculty, but our research and our international reach as well.
All headed up a group of scientists conducting research on climate and pollution in the Andes.
Everyone was a lot more interested in the science than climbing, which sort of surprised me. I thought American Alpine Club, everyone would just be interested in the climbing. And in fact, it was just the opposite.
As a result, All got twice as much data as he anticipated. He says it helped to have someone on the team whose only job was photography.
When you have someone else who can sort of take care of that and think about, framing the light and everything else while you're just worried about the science, it makes it incredibly better.
Lewis is an outdoor enthusiast himself and began rock climbing last year. His role on the expedition came together at the last minute, leaving little time for preparation.
I could have used about 6 to 8 months of really hard training, but I did the best I could, in the month, 4 weeks that I had.
He says there were many moments, one in particular, that made it all worth it.
The first sunlight was just skimming over, the shoulder between these mountains. It was illuminating the two peaks to our right that were on another mountain range. Just right then it clicked. It's like, so this is what mountaineering is all about. It was so clear, it was cold, and it was just amazing.
This semester, 3 students are processing the data all collected on the effects climate change has on the air quality and vegetation in the Andes. In about a month, they'll meet with researchers from other universities to write a grant proposal to continue the study. With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.